So why do we use synthetic vitamins and minerals in food fortification? Firstly, they're cheap to make and easy to sell in mass quantities. It's easy to manage the consistency of these products, so we can be sure that using X amount of an ingredient will provide X amount of the vitamin and mineral. Also, because they are synthetically made, they're less susceptible to damage from food processing, which is very appealing to manufacturers who want to make sure that they have a certain amount of the vitamin and mineral in their food product to achieve health claims. But there are some things to consider when using synthetic micronutrients. Firstly, the environmental impact of using things like petrochemicals and fossil fuels as the starting materials, as these have significant environmental impacts such as air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. In terms of the use of synthetic multivitamins, the evidence doesn't support the use of these for disease or mortality prevention. So, one study on 400,000 people that was published this year saw no benefit of taking multivitamin tablets daily on disease or mortality prevention. Now, this was an observational study, so it does have several limitations as there are confounding factors, but it is a very, very large study that saw no effect of taking the multivitamins on this particular outcome. There's also a very large systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized control trials, which is the highest quality evidence possible. And this study found that there was no evidence to support the use of synthetic supplements to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease.